Delhi has been experiencing heavy rainfall, prompting the India Meteorological Department (IMD) to issue a red warning for the region. The torrential downpour has led to significant waterlogging, traffic disruptions, and challenges in daily activities across the city. According to the IMD, the heavy rain is expected to continue over the next few days, with the potential for more severe weather conditions. The red warning indicates that residents should take action to protect themselves and their property due to the possibility of severe weather events. Authorities have urged citizens to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel. Emergency services are on high alert, and measures are being taken to address waterlogging and ensure the safety of residents. The heavy rainfall has also affected the transportation system, with reports of delays and diversions in public transport services. Schools and offices have been advised to remain closed, and people are being encouraged to work from home where possible. Residents are advised to stay updated on weather conditions and follow guidelines issued by local authorities. The IMD continues to monitor the situation and will provide further updates as necessary.